Let me show you how to make the most luxurious feeling bed so you can have the best sleep of your life. Hey everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com. I know a lot of you feel the same way as me. You're emotionally, physically, mentally tired, and I think getting a good night's sleep is so important right now. So I wanted to show you how I put together the most luxurious, comfiest feeling bed. I keep it pretty simple, but I have a few little tricks that I think you will love. When I make my bed this way, I have the best sleep. I hope if you try some of these tricks, you will too. So let's get started. The first thing that I recommend is investing in a really good mattress. Now, you know that I'm usually really budget conscious for a lot of my DIY and home decor projects, but when it comes to a mattress, I personally think that this is a good thing to splurge on. If you buy a good quality mattress that is extra comfortable, you should be able to use it for many, many years. Now we have a Simmons Beauty Rest. So actually the Brit gave this to us about 5 years ago, and it is so comfortable. I love it so much. It's nice and thick, it has that pillow top on it, and it still works really well for us 5 years later. So definitely go into the store if you can, if it's safe, check out all the mattresses and choose one that works really well for you and your partner. And if you're gonna budget for any sort of bedroom makeover or revamp, definitely put aside some money for a nice mattress. I would certainly recommend it. If you absolutely can't splurge on a mattress, this next tip is gonna help you make your current mattress feel so much better and more luxurious. So just this year, I purchased a mattress topper. This one is kind of one of those feather bed mattress toppers. You can get these with real feathers in them, or you can get a down alternative. Choose what's best for you and your lifestyle. This one I found off of Amazon. It was actually a pretty good deal. I do have to budget a little bit more for my bedding because we do have a king size bed, but I do think this one was still a great price. I will leave a link to it down in the description box below. It is a down alternative, but you can get these with down in them as well. This one is super plush, so it just covers up your mattress. It has this nice thick quilted layer so that when you place it on your current mattress, it's gonna give it a little bit more of that plushy, cozy, hug kind of feeling. And the fantastic thing about these is that you can machine wash them, so it's going to protect your mattress, which is going to be your biggest investment here in your bed, and also it's going to give it that extra fluffy feeling. So we just bought this year, and I already noticed a big improvement in my sleep habits with this. The next thing that I recommend for the ultimate luxurious feeling bed is investing in a really nice sheet set. What I recommend for a luxurious feeling bed and for the best sleep is to get something that is a natural fiber. I've tried lots of different sheets in my life. I've tried polyester blend, cotton, and linen. What I find with the polyester blends is that if you tend to sweat a little bit, they do get really sticky and they're not breathable, so I find them really uncomfortable after a while. I like a nice 100% cotton sheet. Those ones are great. You don't have to spend a ton of money to get a good cotton sheet. Honestly, I haven't found a huge difference in thread count. Just get something kind of a moderate middle range thread count if you don't have the budget for a high one. I think that's pretty much just as good. Now, my favorite sheets that I bought earlier this year in March are the ones from Target. These ones here, they're the Hearth and Hand ones by Joanna Gaines. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are amazing. My favorite sheets I've ever purchased. They weren't even that expensive. If they still have them at Target, I will link them below. Sadly, we don't have any Targets left in Canada. I wish we would. This is one of those times I wish we would. I bought these just before travel was limited in March, and I brought them back home, and I would definitely buy them online if I can. I would pay all the shipping. They're so nice. So what makes these ones nice is they are a cotton linen blend. So they have that softness of cotton, and they also have the softness of linen. I love linen. You're gonna see that in a few minutes here. It's just my favorite. It softens with age, so every time you wash these sheets, they're gonna get softer and softer, and I find linen very, very breathable. Plus, I do love that kind of wrinkly textured look that linen gets. Linen is gonna last you a lot longer than cotton is. It's a really hardy fabric, but it's still natural. So what I do is I put the fitted sheet over my mattress cover and I just smooth it out. It's that linen cotton blend sheet, and I tuck it in. On my king size bed, I like to work on one side first and then the other. After the fitted sheet, go ahead and grab the matching flat sheet, lay this on top of the fitted sheet and put the nice side or the finished side down. You're gonna line up the top of that flat sheet with the top of your bed. Okay, and here's a secret, and I know some of you have caught this in my previous videos. I sometimes don't even use a top sheet because we like to use a duvet cover and we just wash that like a sheet. So I'll do that in the warmer months, but right now in the really cold months, we can put the flat sheet on. Now after the flat sheet, I like to use a duvet and a duvet cover. This duvet cover I've had for years and years, I think probably around 10 years. It's quite old, but it is 100% linen. Again, it was an investment piece like the mattress, but we've used it for years and years and years. This one is by a little company in the States called Taylor Linens. They actually sent this to me as well, like years and years ago, and I did purchase the matching pillow covers for it. 100% linen, really thick, gets softer and softer with washes. I've washed this hundreds and hundreds of times and it just gets softer and softer with age. Then what I recommend is a down or a down alternative comforter, a nice fluffy one, really lofty one. So just choose the down or down alternative, whatever you prefer. And a trick here is get one that is bigger than your duvet cover. So if you have a king size duvet cover like I do, grab a California king size duvet. And it's kind of like the trick with pillows and pillow covers. Putting a larger insert inside a smaller cover is going to give it that nice fluffy lofty look. Here's a hack if you have a giant bed like we do, king size. You can place the duvet on the bed inside out, top at the top, bottom at the bottom, then place your duvet insert on top of that, and then you can roll it up from the top to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, what you do is you make sure your duvet cover is open and you can kind of wrap it around your duvet, button it up or zipper it up, and then slowly unroll it. That way you're not struggling to stuff your duvet inside your duvet cover, and you can kind of do this rolling technique to get it in there just right. So when I have the duvet on, I just kind of shake it out. I line it up with the top of my bed where the flat sheet is, and then I pull that and the flat sheet down about 3/4 to 2/3 down the bed and smooth that out. Next comes our sleeping pillows. So we have down pillows. I put them inside of the linen cotton blend pillow covers, and then I place those at the top of the bed flat. Then we have a second set of sleeping pillows, same thing. Pop them into the covers and place them and stack them on top of that first layer. So we actually use these pillows and you can stack them on the end of your bed. Then come the decorative pillows. Now I know not everybody's like me and you're a pillowaholic and you want all of the pillows. So you can kind of do whatever you want here. Have as little or as many pillows as you like. You can just leave your bed just like this. This is still luxurious, wonderful. Or you can add this layer of decorative pillows. These are also handy to have if you like to sit up and read in bed. So I have these 3 euro sized pillows. I bought these shams from Anthropologie when they had like a super sale, like 70% off. Pop the pillows inside the cases. Again, put a slightly larger pillow inside a slightly smaller case. You can have 3 of these for a king size bed like ours, or 2 for a queen size bed. Then you can add 3 pillows here or just 1. I have this nice long oblong pillow here. This was a DIY. I'll leave a link to this DIY down in the description box below. To finish off your luxurious bed look, you can add a nice little throw at the end of your bed. Now I know a lot of people add even more layers. You can add a coverlet or a quilt under the duvet or over the duvet. We don't ever use that, so I just like the duvet, the flat sheet, and the extra throw. Like I said, if you want, you could fold a quilt, put it over the end of the bed instead, or tuck it under the duvet. Lots of options depending on where you live, how hot it is, how cold it is, and how many layers you like on your bed. Here's a couple other things that I like to do to make my sleep really, really nice. I like to pop in some lavender essential oil into a diffuser to help me fall asleep. I find just plain lavender works the best for me to help me feel nice and calm. I also use the Mrs. Meyer's lavender soap when I'm doing all of my laundry for my bed, so everything smells really nicely of just a nice faint lavender scent to help me feel calm. Plus, I use my DIY wool dryer balls with a little bit of the lavender fabric softener mixed in too. I also recommend twinkle lights any time of year. So I have these nice little twinkle lights in my garland here, kind of a nice wintry look, or just use a plain LED strand of twinkle lights, place them over a mirror, over your bed, wherever. I find that to be really soothing and help me fall asleep as well. So here is the final look for this nice, calm, luxurious looking bed. As you can see, I like to keep my bedding just really neutral. I find that to be nice and calming. Of course, you can add as much color and pattern as you want with the sheets, with the throw pillows. Just mix and match and make it look perfect for you and your style. Here's the same basic look with a different sheet set mixed in there for more of a wintry look and to add a little bit more color to this mix. Let me know which one you like best. Do you like the more neutral, luxurious bed look or the one with a little pop of pattern?
You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you found it helpful. Try some of these hacks and let me know if you do any of these things when you make your bed or which one you want to try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I'm going to leave some more videos that I hope you will love and watch next right up here.